tell me about Efectis. What do you do?
Okay, Efectis UK Ireland is a fire expert company, and we have two departments here in the UK. We have a fire engineering office based in London, which offers fire engineering services such as certification, fire risk assessments, inspection, and other fire engineering services such as training. We also have a fire engineering department based in Northern Ireland. It's specialized in fire testing. We have two labs. One lab is based in Kerroot, which offers facade testing, and the other lab is based in Jordanstown campus in the fire cert building of Ulster University. And this lab offers reaction to fire testing. We offer also facade testing and resistance to fire testing. We can do vertical and horizontal testing through our furnace.
So I'm here with Dan from Consort. How are you doing today?
Yeah, really good, thank you. Yeah, really good. Enjoying the show.
Brilliant, brilliant. So yeah, well, that leads me on to my first question. How are you finding the show? How's the footfall been?
Yeah, good. Yeah, we've had some really good conversations here, especially because we're a bit to the side, sharing the stand with the FIA. People coming in for a really good chat. We've actually just sat down with two people there for about an hour or so. So yeah, really good.
That's great. And do you want to tell us what you tell people? What is the...
So what do we tell people? Well, it's probably a fairly generic conversation at this stage because insurance arrangements are really complex. So we're just reviewing activities, making sure people are aligning that to their insurance requirements, their contractual obligations, and then we sort of set up calls and meetings for later date, really.
So do you want to tell me about your teapot?
Yeah, so we ran a marketing campaign a month or two ago. As useful as chocolate teapot, we sent out around 50 chocolate teapots to various ASFP members, FIA members, a bit tongue-in-cheek, just to promote a conversation, make sure people are thinking about their insurance requirements properly, and making sure they protect themselves as well as they can.
So I'm here at Gunfire. How are you finding today?
Yeah, really good. It's a lot busier today, which is nice to see. The foot traffic's a lot better. And yeah, we're seeing a lot more new faces as well. It's really good. So we're here basically just a show facing our numbers, try to promote our brands and what we do. And this week what we've come is with our fire safety tips. So we've got 63 cards. So it's a little bit about us, what we do, our mission, who we are in terms of the leadership team. But then for potential clients, what we've got in here is sort of little helps and tips on fire stopping facts, myths, good practice, but also with the fire doors as well. So what good looks like, a little bit on third-party accreditation, benefits of it, that sort of thing.
So I'm here with Jamie from CLM. How are you doing today?
Yeah, very good, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So it's day 2. How are you finding the footfall?
Yeah, I think day 2 is always an easier day because we've done the intros on day 1 and we're starting to have some better conversations today and actually starting to see some of our clients come through as well, which is always good.
That's great. So what are you telling people when they arrive?
We're talking them through our service range, different products we use, why we use them, and we're sort of trying to educate them on where the market is and what the industry's doing and how it's changing and evolving and how we're trying to make it better.
So I'm here with Orlando from Protecta. How are you doing today?
I am great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. We're by the big grassy wall of products. Do you want to talk us through your products, what you've got going on, what you're showing people today?
So this is our product wall. Our range of mastics here, so the Fire FR acrylic, FR IBT, and FR graphite. Again, this is a unique product to us. This is inert polymer technology. Here we have our sausages, which is everything you get in the cartridges, but in foil packs, right? This is our sustainable approach to installation on site. Down here we have our cable transits, and here, this is new to us, not new to the industry, but new to us. These are our rectangular duct transits, okay? These are your pipe wraps, FR putty, putty cords, and lost it, interior paint, and graphite plates, right? So this is what we call a trapezoid deck. And on site, sometimes there's lots of issues with actually installing collars, top and bottom, right? Because of access. For example, you can't get a collar in there, right? So we have test evidence and test details for a top side collar, right? So one collar will actually do the job for you.
So I'm here with Paul from ROCKWOOL. How are you doing today?
Hi, very good, thank you.
So do you want to show us around your wall? What are you showing people today?
Yeah, sure, definitely. So basically on the model that we've got here, we're showcasing a new linear cavity fire stop that we've recently launched into the market. There's been some changes to the 1366 Part 4 standard. We've retested to the latest standard, had to make some tweaks to the current specification we have in order to ensure that we meted the criteria for that particular standard, and the result is the cavity fire stop that we're showcasing on the stand today. Some of the additional benefits we have with this are we now have it tested against SFS frames, which wasn't the case with the previous version. We're looking at how we can use digital technologies in order to or work with the sort of golden thread concept. Okay. So working on digital technologies that allow specifiers to take our standard details and create their own bespoke service penetrations that then can be carried forward into a specification pack, handed over to main contractors, ready for construction, and then maybe in the future working with the likes of some of our colleagues across the way, Bolster in terms of tagging and referencing those once they've been installed.
So I'm here with Nigel from BSB. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm very well, thanks, Reece. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm good. So do you want to show us what you're showing people today?
Yep, this is our lobby damper. This is a smoke control damper designed for central extract in multi-occupancy buildings. Remains shut on the non-fire floor, and during the fire it opens to allow smoke exhaust.
Okay, brilliant.
That's supported normally with a set of smoke fans on the roof. Right. That's an example there. They're 400 degrees C for 2 hour rated, so they'll run to destruction in the event of a fire in a building.
Amazing, to draw everything out.
Draw the smoke out, give access for people to leave the building and the fire services come in.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And how have you found the show? Have you?
It's a good show. It's sporadic. It seems to be busier in the morning than it does in the afternoon, but it's a good show. We've got some good leads, and we've got another day and a half. So
we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So that concludes day 2 of FIREX 2023. We've been around talking to members, as you've seen. We had a talk today where we were discussing a bunch of hot topics in passive fire protection and debating them. So that was fun. I'm just about to get back in the car. We'll drive off into day 3, shall we? So I'll see you tomorrow. Be there bright and early. I don't know when we'll be posting, but we'll see you then.